Hello everyone, welcome back to Fujisan Junior. Today it's going to be my first day. I hope you guys like and subscribe, and I'm going to show you how my first day goes. First half done. Honestly, great group of kids. They are behaving well. The expectations I have, it's probably pretty high, but honestly, they are cruising through. They're behaving, they are working well together, they are listening, and they are not interrupting me, which is a great sign. I know it's only the first day, but we'll see how it goes. I would love to show my teaching, but unfortunately with privacy issues and policies, I can't. But maybe I can just sneak a little bit of my own teaching or me interacting with students. And yeah, let's see how the day continues. Hopefully my first day will be a success, and I'll keep you guys updated. And show me that you are ready once your table is good. All right, eyes up, please. Sit down, eyes up, please. All right, you all survived your first day in third grade, and you have 181 more days to go. Great job, everyone. Very proud of you guys. So push in your chairs, please, and go grab your backpacks. Amazing job. All right, I finished my first day of school. Honestly, I'm very exhausted with everything, but I think overall it went really well with the students. I built connections. I was able to come up with activities that we were supposed to do or we could do to kill time and everything. But yeah, no, it went really well. I'm grateful for the students I'm having this semester. And yeah, I'm looking forward to the year, honestly. Nothing to complain. I did have a little miscommunication with one of my students today with the bus situation. So hopefully they can get back home safely. Besides that, everything else went smoothly, and I'm going to keep working hard. So if you guys liked it, please like and subscribe, and peace out.